Welcome everyone, and thank you for joining the GoldMin Token Rewarded video program. Today you are not only watching an official ecosystem update, but also participating in a special reward activity designed for our community members. Throughout this presentation, you will learn about the vision behind GoldMin Token, the purpose of our ecosystem, and how future community rewards will work inside the application. Most importantly, this video contains a secret reward code divided into multiple sections. Users who carefully watch the entire video and collect every part of the code will be able to enter it inside the application and receive GMTK rewards according to the active campaign rules. Our objective is simple. We want community members to stay informed, engaged, and connected with the growth of the ecosystem. GoldMin Token was created with a focus on simplicity, accessibility, and long-term community participation. We believe that digital ecosystems should be easy to understand for everyone, regardless of technical experience. New users should be able to open the application, understand the interface, and begin participating within minutes. This philosophy influences every section of the platform, from the dashboard to the mining area and future reward systems. As development continues, our team remains focused on improving user experience and delivering useful features that create value for the community. Every update, every improvement, and every new feature is designed with users in mind. Community participation plays an important role in shaping the future of the ecosystem. Users who stay active help strengthen the project and contribute to long-term growth. Before moving forward, here is the first section of today's secret reward code. Please write it down carefully and keep it safe because you will need all remaining sections. Later in the presentation, the first code segment is Go. Remember, this is only the first part. Additional sections will appear later, so continue watching carefully. Secret battery code has 4 parts hidden throughout this video. Missing even one part means the code will not work. Hello everyone and welcome to GoldMin. Now let's talk about one of the most exciting developments inside the GoldMin Token ecosystem. Our goal is not only to provide users with a platform, but also to create opportunities for engagement and participation. Rewarded videos represent a new way for community members to stay informed while earning incentives. Instead of simply reading announcements, users can watch official presentations, learn about upcoming developments, and discover hidden reward codes. This creates a more interactive experience and encourages active involvement. We believe that users should benefit from their time and attention. That is why our rewarded video system has been designed to combine education and rewards in a simple process. As the ecosystem expands, future videos may include feature demonstrations, development updates, roadmap announcements, community campaigns, and special events. Each video will provide valuable information while also offering opportunities for participation. We want users to feel connected to the project's progress and understand how the ecosystem continues evolving over time. Transparency remains one of our priorities. We want community members to see progress directly and understand the direction of development. This approach helps strengthen trust and encourages long-term participation. The future of GoldMin Token depends on an active and informed community working together towards shared goals. Now it is time for the second segment of today's secret reward code. Please record it carefully. The second code segment is LD. Keep this together with the first segment because the complete code will only be revealed when all sections are collected. As technology continues to evolve, the importance of strong communities becomes even more significant. Successful projects are not built by technology alone. They are built by people who participate, contribute ideas, and remain engaged throughout the journey. GoldMin Token is designed with a long-term vision focused on sustainable growth and community development. Every user who joins the platform becomes part of a larger ecosystem that grows stronger through participation. We encourage feedback because user experiences often provide valuable insights for future improvements. Community suggestions help us identify opportunities, improve usability, and create features that users genuinely need. Looking ahead, our roadmap includes additional engagement systems, enhanced reward opportunities, expanded wallet functionality, and tools designed to improve the overall user experience. We remain committed to continuous improvement and innovation while maintaining simplicity and accessibility. The future belongs to projects that adapt, improve, and evolve alongside their communities. GoldMin Token aims to follow that path by focusing on long-term value, creation, and meaningful participation. We appreciate everyone who continues supporting the ecosystem and contributing to its growth. Now it is time to reveal the third segment of today's reward code. The third code segment is 20. Store it safely together with the previous two sections because one final segment remains ahead. Thank you for staying with us until the final part of today's rewarded video presentation. Your commitment to watching the complete video demonstrates the kind of active participation that helps strengthen the GoldMin Token ecosystem. Community engagement is one of the most important foundations of our long-term vision. We want users to remain informed, connected, and involved as development continues. Rewarded videos are only one example of how we plan to encourage participation and create value for community members. Future updates may introduce additional campaigns, special bonus opportunities, seasonal events, and ecosystem activities designed to reward active users. We believe that communities grow stronger when participation is recognized and appreciated. As we move forward, our mission remains focused on simplicity, security, and community growth. Every milestone achieved reflects the support of our users and their belief in the future of the project. We are grateful for every community member who continues following our journey and sharing our vision. The coming months will bring new opportunities, new features, and new ways to engage with the ecosystem. We encourage everyone to stay connected through our official channels and continue following development updates. Now it is finally time to reveal the last segment of today's secret reward code. The fourth and final code segment is 26. Congratulations if you collected all four segments correctly. You can now combine them to create the complete reward code and use it inside the GoldMin Token application. After launch to claim your GMTK reward. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting GoldMin Token. And thank you for being part of our growing community. The future is just beginning, and we are excited to continue this journey together.